I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you are trying to recover funds from a closed Kraken account, follow these steps to make the process smoother. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the recovery process, collect all necessary information related to your Kraken account. This includes your account email, any transaction ID, and any correspondence with Kraken support. Step 2. Visit the Kraken support page or to the Kraken website and navigate to their support section. Look for the option related to account recovery or close accounts. This will guide you to the right resources. Step 3. Submit a support ticket. Fill out the support ticket form with all the required details. Be clear about your request to recover funds from your closed account. Include any relevant information you gathered in Step 1. Step 4. Verify your identity. Kraken may require you to verify your identity to process your request. Be prepared to provide identification documents such as a driver's license or passport, as they may ask for these to confirm your identity. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Kraken. If you don't hear back within a week, consider following up to check the status of your request. Recovering funds can be a bit of a hassle, but by following these steps, you should be on the right path. Good luck, and I hope you get your funds back soon.